With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let us solve this question. The question says that in the arrangement of type ABABA, identical atoms of first layer A and the third layer A are joined by a line passing through their centers. Identify the correct statement. Option 1, no void is found on the line. Option 2, only tetrahedral voids are found on the line. Option 3, only octahedral voids are found on the line. And option 4, equal number of tetrahedral and octahedral voids are found on the line. So it is given that in the arrangement of type ABABA, identical atoms of the first layer A and the third layer A are joined by a line passing through their center. And we have to tell that on that line which type of void will be found, right? So we know that ABAB type of arrangement, ABAB type of arrangement is found in hexagonal closed packing. Hexagonal closed packing, or you can say hexagonal closed arrangement, right? So let us draw layer of the hexagonal closed packing one by one. So as you can see, this is the first layer, right? Suppose this layer is A. This layer is A. Now there will be a layer above this layer, but that layer will be B, right? Now in that layer what happens? The atoms will lie on the depression, right? As you can see, we have this 1, 2 and 3, right? Between these three atoms there is a vacant space. So the atom of the next layer will lie on this vacant space, forming a void. So let us see the next layer. Suppose let us draw an atom. So arrangement of atoms on the second layer will be like this, right? So as you can see, this layer which is shown by blue color, it is layer B. It is layer B. As you can say, this is different from the layer A because here the atoms lie on the depressions of the first layer, right? Now what happens? Above this B layer, there will be again layer of the type A, right? So let us show this by a figure. So as you can see here, we have a hexagonal closed packing in which there is ABAB type arrangement. So if you see, this is the layer A shown by red, right? And here, then we have B layer, then again we have A layer. Now if you see the layer A, right? So in layer A at the center we have atoms, and this is the central line which is passing through the centers of these atoms. And on this center we see that there is a tetrahedral void, right? So this is the tetrahedral void because it is formed by the three atoms. Again, as you can see here also we have tetrahedral void. So we can say that the line which joins the center of the atoms of AA layer, right? On that line there will be tetrahedral void, one above and one below. If you consider this A layer, then there will be a tetrahedral void above this layer and a tetrahedral void below this layer, right? So if you see the options, in option 1 it is given no void is found on the line, so this is wrong. In option 2 it is given only tetrahedral voids are found on the line, so this is correct. As you can see, there will be only tetrahedral void on the line passing through the atoms of layer A. Then in option 3 it is given only octahedral void, so this is wrong. And in option 4 it is given equal number of tetrahedral and octahedral voids are found on the line, so this is also wrong. So correct option is here option 2, only tetrahedral voids are found on the line. So option 2 is the answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level, Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.